Hey, quick question. When was the last time you handed someone a paper business card? Exactly. In 2025, it's all about going digital, staying connected, and making a killer first impression, instantly. Today, I'm going to show you how you can own a piece of that future and start building a real online business with something called vCard. Let's be honest, nobody wants to carry around 100 paper cards anymore. They get lost, tossed, forgotten. In fact, nearly 9 out of 10 paper business cards end up in the trash within a week. Today, it's all about digital business cards. Quick, easy, professional. And that's exactly where vCard comes in. vCard is a complete platform that lets you create, manage, and sell professional digital business cards to anyone in any industry. And here's the best part. You don't just make your own card. You own the entire system. You create and sell vCards to other people, and you keep 100% of the profits. Doctors, real estate agents, freelancers, consultants, everyone needs a vCard today. Listen, this isn't just a side hustle. Owning vCard is like running your own mini tech company without writing a single line of code. The site is ready. The system is built. You can start selling digital cards today. No technical skills required. Charge a setup fee for each vCard. Sell monthly or yearly subscriptions. Offer premium upgrades like SEO boost, custom domains, embedded videos. vCards look stunning on phones, tablets, laptops, and even show up on Google. Plus, your customers can track how many people viewed or clicked on their cards, which makes it an even easier sell. Here's the crazy part. Almost everyone can use a digital card. Real estate agents, entrepreneurs, coaches, lawyers, personal trainers, influencers, job seekers. You're not just selling a card. You're selling their personal brand, their first impression. Let's run the numbers real quick. Sell just 5 vCards a week at $50 each. That's $1,000 a month. Scale up to 20 cards a week. You're pulling in $4,000 a month, working remotely, on your own time. And that's without crazy overhead, employees, or complicated marketing. Want to stack even more cash? Here's how smart people are scaling this. Charge for premium designs, custom layouts, colors, videos. Offer done-for-you services. Build and manage the vCard for busy clients. Bundle with local SEO services, rank their vCard locally. Sell in bulk to businesses. Think real estate agencies, gyms, law firms. So here's the bottom line. Owning vCard means you own a real business that's simple, scalable, and built for today's world. You're not just selling a card. You're selling connection, reputation, and growth. When you help businesses look good online, they pay you well for it. Ready to make it happen? Click the link below, grab your copy of vCard, and start building your own profitable business today. Let's go!